On medium heat, oil 1 tablespoon. Butter 1 tablespoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Sauté for 8 seconds. Onion to medium, chopped. Sauté the onions until translucent. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Tomato 1 medium, chopped. Salt 1 teaspoon. Sauté for 2 to 4 minutes. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala ½ teaspoon. Sauté for 2 to 4 minutes. Water ½ cup. Stir constantly and cook for 5 minutes. Few coriander leaves, chopped, mix well, turn off the heat, and set aside to cool slightly. Place the puff pastries in a lined baking tray. Spoon a teaspoon of the onion tomato spice mix in the center. Put a slice of the halved egg yolk facing the mix. To seal together, use a little egg wash. Take the opposite sides of the pastry and seal it. Continue the same process with the rest of the puffs. Gently brush the tops and sides of the puff pastry with egg wash. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. Enjoy!